Today we will make a super simple snack which can be eaten not only during the fast but also on regular days. That is Sabudana Vada. But before watching this recipe, do not forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel Ready Steady Eat for many more such amazing recipes. First of all, we will wash the sabudana and rinse it thoroughly. Now drain the excess water and transfer the washed sabudana in a bowl. Now add water to the bowl so that the sabudana is soaked completely. Cover it and keep it aside for 4 to 5 hours. This is what the soaked and puffed sabudana will look like. Now in another bowl, add boiled and mashed potatoes, crushed unsalted peanuts, chopped ginger, chopped green chilies, roasted cumin, sugar, salt, chopped coriander and soaked sabudana and mix everything well. Now take a small portion of the mixture and tightly shape them into patties, just like this. Now let's deep fry them in hot oil over a medium heat. Until they turn golden brown and crisp. Serve hot along with green chutney. Super crispy and super tasty Sabudana Vadas are ready. Don't forget to leave a comment below.